Welcome. In this tutorial, you'll build a simple menu app in Glide from scratch. We'll create a blank app, set up a data table, add your menu items and images, design a clean layout, add category filters, and publish the app so you can share it. Follow along and pause as needed. Start by signing in to Glide. Once you're in, look for the Apps section on the dashboard and click it. This is where you manage and create your Glide apps. Next, click New App to start something fresh. When you're asked what kind of app to make, choose Blank App, then click Create App. Beginning with a blank canvas is perfect here because it gives you full control over the structure. With the app created, switch to the Data area. This is where your app's content lives, and getting it organized now will make everything else easy. On the top left sidebar, click the plus icon to add a new table. When the menu appears, select Blank Table so you can define exactly what data your app will use. Rename this table to Menu. Naming your table clearly helps keep everything organized, especially as your app grows. Now it's time to add the columns your menu needs. Look at the top right and click plus New Column. You'll create 4 columns. The first is Food Name with the type set to text. This will store the name of each dish. Click Save after you add it. Add the second column, Category, also set to text. This will let you group items later by things like breakfast, lunch, or desserts. Click Save again. Add a third column called Price with the type set to number. This keeps pricing clean and consistent. Click Save. Finally, add a column named Image with the type set to image. This is where your food photos will go. Click Save. Be sure to click Save every after entry so your changes are stored as you go. With the structure ready, you can add your menu items. Click plus New Row to create the first item. Type the dish name in Food Name, enter a category, and fill in the price. Click Save. Then repeat this process for additional dishes so you build a small sample menu. Add several items across different categories to make the most of the filters you'll add later. Keep your naming consistent, like using singular or plural the same way, and be mindful with prices so they display cleanly. Next, add photos to your items. Find the image column in your table. Click a cell under the image column for one of your rows, then click Upload. Select a food image from your computer that matches that dish. Glide will store and display the image in the app. Repeat this for a few items so your layout looks great when you preview it. Clear, well-lit images that are cropped similarly will make your cards look consistent. If you don't have images for every item yet, you can upload them later. The app will still work in the meantime. With your data in place, switch from data to layout. This is where you decide how the app presents your information. First, make sure the screen is connected to the menu table you created. If you see an option to select a data source for the screen, choose Menu so the layout reflects your menu items. Now, choose Cards as the layout style. The Cards layout is perfect for a menu because it shows an image, a title, and extra details in a clean grid, making it easy for people to browse. Click on the menu collection on the screen to open its options. You'll map your data to the right places so each card shows what you want. Set the title to Food Name, so each card displays the dish name prominently. Set the subtitle or meta to Price so customers can see the cost at a glance. Set the image to Image so the photo you uploaded appears on the card. As you make these selections, you'll see the preview update, giving you confidence everything is wired correctly. If something doesn't look right, double check that each field is mapped to the correct column. To help users quickly find items, add category filters. Click plus Add Component, then choose Choice Chips. These chips are interactive filters that make browsing faster. When prompted, select Category as the source. This pulls the categories directly from your data and displays them as chips across the top. Tapping a chip filters the visible cards to that category, which is especially helpful when your menu grows. Keep your category names consistent in the data so these filters work perfectly. When you're happy with how your menu looks and behaves, it's time to make it available. Click Publish to prepare the app for sharing. In the Publish settings, turn on Public Access. This makes the app accessible to anyone with the link. Finally, click Copy Link. That copies your app's URL to your clipboard so you can share it by email, post it on social media, or add it to a website. If you plan to keep updating your menu, remember that any changes you make to the data will instantly reflect in the published app, so you can keep everything current without republishing. You now have a functional Glide menu app with images, prices, a clean card layout, and easy category filters. You created a blank app, set up a menu table, defined the columns for names, categories, prices, and images, saved your changes as you worked, added rows for your items, uploaded photos, chose the cards layout, mapped the fields correctly, added choice chips powered by the category column, and published the app with public access enabled so you could copy the link and share it. Before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.